Hello, how are you? Okay, let's answer that question there. We have a few minutes. Okay, so halogens are diatomic. What does the term diatomic mean? So diatomic means containing two atoms. So halogens, they contain two atoms. For example, if we say fluorine gas, then it is F2. So that is what it means, diatomic, containing two atoms. Okay. Differentiate the bonding in iodine from that in magnesium oxide. Okay. So the bonding in iodine is molecular bonding or covalent bonding, whilst the bonding in magnesium oxide is ionic bonding. Okay, next question. C. Chlorine gas is bubbled through potassium bromide solution in a test tube until there is no more change. Write a balanced chemical equation. So they are saying chlorine gas is bubbled through potassium bromide. Then we write a balanced chemical equation. So we write it here. They are saying Cl, which is chlorine gas, Cl2 bubbled through potassium bromide. Okay, there. So it will produce potassium chloride plus bromine liquid. Okay, so bromine is less reactive compared to chlorine. No wonder it is displaced from its compound there. So the equation will be like that. So chlorine gas is in gaseous state. There it is aqueous. So we just balance the equation there. So how do we balance the equation? So since we have Br2 there, so we need to balance the Br here. So we write a 2 here in order to balance bromine. Now that 2 has affected the potassium also, so we also need to balance the potassium this side. So as we balance the potassium here, it means we also balance the chlorine for that side. So we balance the potassium by writing a 2 there. Then it is a balanced equation now. So that is the balanced equation. Okay. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I may be posting full videos. Thank you for your time. I'll drop my YouTube channel in the comment section.